to my channel. Welcome to this week's vlog. This week I am going to Philadelphia for my friend's wedding. This is the same friend who had her bachelorette trip not too long ago, like back in the summer. So Hannah is finally getting married. I am so excited. It's also, I think, my first time ever in Philly. I don't think I've ever been there before. So yeah, it's my first time ever in Philly and I'm literally only gonna be there for 24 hours. Actually, technically I'm gonna be there for a little less than 24 hours. So I land tomorrow around like 10:30 or 11 a.m. and then I leave the next day at like 8 a.m. So it's like a little under 24 hours. And most of that time I will be at the wedding. I don't have a lot of plans for exploring the city, but a couple things I wanna do is definitely get myself a cheesesteak. That's just something that we have to do, right? So I just finished filming a little TikTok of me packing all of my stuff. This is my suitcase. It is the Away carry-on and it is perfect. Oh, actually it's the Away Flex carry-on because it has like a little extender thing here. I love this suitcase so much. It has gone with me so many places. This is everything that I'm taking with me. I am actually packing super light for once. I am usually a chronic overpacker, but for this trip, it's because it's less than 24 hours, we are doing the bare minimum. So I've got like my airport clothes that I'm gonna wear Sunday when I come back. This is my wedding outfit. I've got a bunch of my like hygiene stuff in here. And then on this side, I have my shoes, my wedding bag, makeup brushes, and then I obviously need to go get my underwear and all of that. I'll put them in last. I didn't want to show you guys. I just quickly wanted to show you guys what I'm packing. I don't know, I show TikTok, so I felt like I should show YouTube. I'm gonna be at the airport tomorrow. I don't know if I'll vlog on my camera for YouTube because I'm gonna be vlogging a travel video on TikTok. It's so hard to double vlog, you guys, so I try. Okay, so let me tell you guys, I'm a little bit nervous for tomorrow because, so basically I requested an early check-in at our hotel. So normal check-in is at like 4 p.m., which I think is super late. I feel like, isn't usually check-in by like 3 at the latest? I don't know. Every hotel does do it differently. This place that we're staying at it's at 4 p.m. So we requested early check-in for $25. And mind you, I'm paying $25 extra for early check-in that is not guaranteed, which kind of sounds like a scam to me, if I'm being honest. Like, why am I paying for something that's not guaranteed? What? But the wedding starts at like 5 p.m. So obviously we're gonna want to get ready and be done before 4. So I'm just like a little nervous about that. Don't even know like what to do. Oh my God, I just realized I forgot my hair curler. I need to pack my hair curler. Oh my God, I almost forgot that. So like tomorrow morning, I'm gonna get up really early and I feel like I'm gonna do my lashes at least, and then also do my hair, like make sure it's like at least curled and styled a little bit so that I can save as much time at the hotel maybe. I don't know if that's a good idea. My flight, I think, leaves tomorrow at like 9 a.m. I'm gonna aim to wake up at 6 and it is like 9 o'clock right now. I need to take a shower still. But like, hopefully things will go well. You know, hopefully we'll be able to check in. I'm gonna manifest it. We will check in early tomorrow. Everything will be smooth and it's gonna be a great weekend. Good morning, friends. It is like 7:30 in the morning. I got maybe 3 hours of sleep last night, but it is time to go to the airport. So off we go to Philly. Why did I almost have a heart attack? I thought it departed, but no, it's the other one. Hello. Okay, I made it to Philly. The flight was super short. It was like an hour and a half. Now I'm gonna call the hotel to see if I can check in right now because it is a little early, but I want to know where I need to go from here. I also definitely want to get a coffee, even though I already had a Dunkin' Donuts. I'm still really tired. The hotel is not ready yet. It might be done after 12. It's currently 11-ish right now, so we just have like an hour to spare. I might just go to the hotel area and get a coffee and chill there until we can check in. Yo, I was hella confused getting out of that train station, but we're out, we're in downtown, and It turns out my friends are not gonna get any food, so I'm going to a cafe right now before I need to go to the hotel. So hot, I was sweating. I got a pumpkin cold brew at that coffee shop. I feel a little bit more energized, but I do want lunch, and I was perusing around what I wanted, and tacos kind of sounded good, and something that's like filling but not too heavy. So I think I'm gonna go to a Mexican restaurant. Kind of want to go check in at the hotel first and see if they can at least like hold my bag for me, because I don't want to bring this to the restaurant with me, you know? Okay, I hope you guys can hear me, because this is the first time I'm ever using my DJI mic on my camera. Hopefully you can hear me. If you can't hear me, then there's a reason why I'm doing a voiceover. But we came here to, where is this? El Teco. It's in a building that is the same place as Condesa. I was a little confused at first, but I came upstairs to the rooftop because downstairs, like first level wasn't open yet. They only do dinner, whereas up here, the rooftop, they do small bites and drinks. This place is gorgeous, you guys. I have the best view of the city right now. It's open seating. The windows are completely open, and I'm having a great time by myself. I did give them my bag, so luckily I don't have to lug that around anymore, even though, Away, I love you so much. Your wheels are perfect. It is so easy to carry that thing around when you're walking in the city with like cobblestones. Top tier. So let me see what I want to eat. I definitely want a taco. That's the whole reason why I came here, but I don't know if I want to drink as well. Do I want a margarita?
Give me one margarita, I'ma open my lips.
I fear that if I start a little too early, then by nighttime I might be not as like up for partying. I need to just make sure that I pace myself today, because I just know that we're going to be partying for a very long time tonight. It is a wedding. They have a brisket taco. That sounds delicious. I also love a fish taco. I don't think they have one though. They have shrimp taco, which I'm not feeling shrimp today. Maybe I'll do one brisket and one al pastor. That sounds like it'll be nice and filling. And do I want a drink? That is the main question here. Ooh, they also have something called mango. I love a mango drink. Does it have, oh, it has rum. Okay, and then they also have a spritz. You know me, I love a spritz. I love a sangria, like something easy like that. Maybe that's something good to kind of get me started for the day. Let's get a spritz. All right, I'm gonna place my order in, and we're gonna wait for the food. My tacos are here. So like I said, I got 2 tacos. We got the al pastor, the brisket. I am so hungry, and I am very excited to eat this. I'm double vlogging, so I'm doing a TikTok as well. So if you see me looking off to the side, it's for my TikTok. I did my hair again. I did my hair like 3 times already. And then we did my makeup. Do you want to be in my vlog, you guys? You can say no if you don't want to be. It's Zenobia. And what is your name? Ryan. So sometimes I forget if your name is Kyle or Ryan. Because like whenever I call them together, I'm like Kyle and Ryan, Ryan and Kyle. It's one word. So like I forget which one is which, honestly. Basically, he and his lover are always together.
Lovers?
Yeah, you're partners. You guys, are you guys not lovers? You're gonna look at me and say I'm wrong? Exactly. I'm not wrong. Anyways, we're all getting ready for the wedding and we're gonna go soon. Oh, I need to put on my body glitter, so I'm gonna do that. Gays walk fast, but girls have heels on, so.
Well, this girl has a heel on today, so I'll be on the same walking speed as you. I can't walk that fast. Oh my god,
no, it's like, that's why it's nice to have someone to lean on, you know? Okay, open. Look up. I just needed to clean up the bottom.
You too. Sorry.
I'm dead. No, that was so good.
You and me both, girl.
Okay, look in the mirror.
If you think it looks good, I'm gonna trust you. This looks amazing.
Yes, sir. Slay. Okay. Wait.
ate.
Literally left no crumbs.
Okay, but I want my jacket. Oh, she snatched.
Sean, you are looking amazing. Wait, can you give us an outfit of the day?
You know, get ready with me.
Yeah.
Heels, YSL.
Oh my god.
YSL.
Slay, you're gorgeous. He came ready. Like, we're pulling out the tens for
We're
Hannah.
coming for you.
I mean, I can't believe they're getting
Yeah.
married, but I can't believe they're getting married. It wasn't really hitting me that it was
Yeah.
a wedding until now.
Like, it was like literally like a couple weeks ago, we're all getting together.
Yeah.
Walked over, joining the line. Jaw dropped, you wearing all white. Wonder when you got so fine. Yeah. Said hi and asked what's been up. Kept talking month after month. Your time.
Good morning. I'm looking a little rough, but I genuinely, I think I only got about like 2 hours of sleep last night. And then if you remember, I only got like 2 or 3 hours of sleep the night before. So we are running off of like 5 cups of coffee and 4 hours of sleep. Gotta love it. But we're finally going back home. So excited to not only see my cat, but also take a shower and jump into my bed that is very comfy and cozy. I'm definitely just going to be knocking out as soon as I get on the plane and get home. Wait, before I put the camera away for the day, look at the sandwich I got. It's so hot, but it looks so good.